be making the copycat Starbucks egg bites. We're going to need 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, a cup and a fourth of shredded cheddar, a 1/3 cup of coconut flour, 4 eggs, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, get the other egg.
Good job.
Thank you. Throw that away from there.
Then I'm gonna help Mommy. Throw this away.
1 cup of shredded cheese and the 4th cup. A 1/3 cup of coconut flour.
Can I do it? Then we're gonna have to stir it, right?
And
I'll put it in the pan.
teaspoon of baking powder.
Can I do it? Then I'm gonna pour this inside. If you see my video, check it out. Hop.
2 ounces of softened cream cheese. I weighed it out on our scale. I have bacon in the back, making in the air fryer.
Which is gonna be very, very yummy.
Then we're gonna mix this all up.
Yep. By my help.
Mm-mm.
Can I do it, Mom?
No,
Can you stir it?
not right now.
Okay. But you're already stirring it. You see how icky it is? We are gonna put it in the blender. Then it will become beautiful.
You want to break down the cream cheese.
Yes, we do want to break down the cream cheese. Because if you don't break down the cream cheese, what will happen?
It'll be clumpy.
It will be clumpy. So you want to make sure that you smush it all up.
Quick correction, we should have put just a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, but it's okay. And this consistency should be okay. I don't really want it too liquidy. So after I break down that cream cheese, I'm going to let it sit here for a while to allow the flour to absorb the moisture from everything else, and that will help it become more liquefied and not so starchy. Okay.
Comment down in the comments below if you know that. What did you just say?
Consistency?
Go down below and think about what the consistency means. Okay? Consistency means. And I'll go check on her when We are all finished.
Excuse my daughter, she loves to help. But if you can see, it's getting more moisture in there. And now we'll just let it sit for a little while the bacon is getting finished up. You can spray your mold so none of your egg gets stuck in there. I use the pan original. You can use whatever you like, or crumble it up in your molds. I will do it in the mold, and it doesn't have to be pieces, specific size pieces. You can do whatever you like, big, small. I put some at the bottom, and then I'll put some on top of it. This is the bacon I made in the not the Instapot, the air fryer. Maybe one more. Okay. I'm going to take the 4th cup and use it as my scoop. I'll take some of the mixture, put it into the batter, or rather put it into the mold. And I'll come back and top it off in a little bit. Okay. We can clean all that up later before we put it in the oven. I think I'm filling it too much. I'm gonna fill it halfway for now. Then it's gonna end up popping over. And I'll go back on the other ones and take some of it out. Okay. I'm going to get a spoon. I have a spoon right here for my cream cheese, which is fine. And take some of this mixture out and put it into the other mold. It will rise. It's all through trial and error. Okay. And then we will put more bacon on top. Crumble it up. Of course, you can crumble it all up in a baggie to put it on. Just tear it apart. We like bacon here. It's your option. You can put veggies, onions, green peppers, tomato, jalapeno to make it spicier. Okay. There we go. This one looks like it needs a little bit more. Just top it up and cover the bacon so it's well incorporated. And each one comes about to be about 70 calories. I'll put the nutrition below. Okay, now we'll get this ready for the oven. I'll put it on a baking sheet so that if it spills over, it gets caught. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. It has been preheating. 350. You can see it in there. Center rack for about 10 minutes. For 15 minutes, but it looks like it can use some more time in there. It's not 100% right now, so we're gonna put it for another 5 minutes. I'll set the timer. We're gonna do it for 5 minutes and then we'll come back and check. Stopped again. Let's check them now. I think they should be good now. We will pull them out. Let's be careful, it's really hot. They smell delicious. And here we go, the egg bites. We're gonna let them rest a little bit. And then we'll get the second batch going. So this made 3, 6, 7. We probably have one more batch for the same thing, so about 14 at about 350 for 20 minutes. 75 calories each. 1.5 carbs. And the rest I will put in the description. A little bit, I'm going to pop them out of the mold. Best way I find to do that is just stick a spoon in there and like so. Put it on a plate. They may roll over. Go. Again, because we sprayed it, it worked out pretty good. There you go. So you have them all out. Easy peasy. There we go. This one's a little small. They smell really good, honestly. That's it. Here we go. And there you go. This is our take on the Starbucks sous vide eggs. And they're also keto friendly. It's the main point of this, that they are keto friendly. Right here. And we're gonna get the other ones in the oven. Are the keto egg bites, our spin on the Starbucks sous vide eggs. We did them with bacon and cheese and sour cream instead of cottage cheese. Thank you so much.